So this is what my bedroom looked like before I moved in. The walls were some type of caramel brown. That was the sitting room, but the walls were caramel brown. The carpet was light brown. They had some blinds up there that I really didn't like, but it was overall, I thought it was a pretty good size master bedroom with the tray ceiling, and it was a pretty decent size. So here is the after. So I, of course, added my bedroom furniture, created a nice little sitting area at the foot of my bed, because the sitting room over to the other side, I'm actually going to change that into my shoe room. But the paint is called Chic Gray. I think it's by Bear. You can grab it at Lowe's, or no, I think you can grab it at Home Depot. But it's called Chic Gray, and the ceiling is Palais white. The chairs I got from at home. The little tables in the center, I got those from Ross. The pictures at the top there, I got those from at home. The the lamps, I got those when I was overseas. And the furniture, you can get that at Z Gallerie, but I got mine when I was overseas and got it shipped back to the US. So again, don't be afraid to create a sitting space. So this is the dresser area that I dressed this up a little bit here by putting my little jewelry here. Little candle and a little faux flower there, and this is the dresser area. So don't be afraid to display your jewelry on your dresser. And this is the nightstand. Here is the lamp that I purchased when I was overseas. The curtains with the little pretty pearls on there, that came from Burlington. I had shades put in from Budget Blinds, but this is my little nightstand area. And never mind the scratches, but this slides out there. Little mirrors there, so I can slide that back in. And so I have two nightstand areas. And here's my other nightstand area over here with the same matching lamp and the shades there. This kind of slides out. And that's my little nightstand area.